In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get MailChimp API key and list ID. We'll grab an API key you can use to connect MailChimp to other tools, and we'll find your audience, sometimes called list ID. Start by signing into your MailChimp account. At the top right, click your profile avatar to open the account menu. From there, choose Account and Billing. This takes you to your account dashboard where you can manage settings. Next, along the navigation inside Account, open the Extras dropdown and select API keys. This is the page where MailChimp lets you create and manage keys that authorize other apps to access your account. Click Create a Key. You'll be prompted to give the key a name. Type a clear label that reminds you what you'll use it for, like the specific integration or environment. Then click Generate Key. MailChimp will create a new key and display it in the list. Immediately click Copy to clipboard so you can paste it into the app that needs it. Treat this key like a password. Store it securely in a password manager and never share it in emails, screenshots, or public repositories. If a key is ever exposed, come back to this page and remove it, then create a new one. Giving each key a unique, descriptive name makes audits easier later, especially if you maintain separate keys for development and production. If you see older keys you no longer recognize, it's a good practice to disable or delete them to reduce risk. With the API key ready, let's find your list or audience ID. In the main navigation, click Audience to open your audiences. If you work with multiple audiences, make sure the one you want is selected. Open. More options for that audience, then choose Audience Settings. On the Settings page, scroll until you see Audience ID. MailChimp labels it clearly. This alphanumeric value is what many integrations ask for as the list ID. Select and copy it so you can paste it alongside your API key where required. That's it. You now have your MailChimp API key and your audience ID. Use them to connect forms, websites, or automation tools to your MailChimp account. As a final reminder, keep the key private, rotate it periodically if your security policy requires it, and limit who has access in your team. If the interface looks a little different, look for Account and Billing, then Extras, then API keys, and for audience settings to reveal the audience ID. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.